Okay, this is a Magic Legends video on unlocking your second class. So you can see the cost there. So yeah, this is the first time that I've done this because it's the second class. And yeah, just wanted to make a video kind of discussing how all of that works. So I hit level 30 with my starting class, which was the Geomancer, and that's the level cap. So after that point, you might as well unlock a second class if you can. So I've been saving up for doing that. And yeah, once you hit level 30, you get a trait that you can still use for any of your classes, and you also have like a Planeswalker level, which at that point will be at 30, if that's your first character. And yeah, here I was kind of deciding between the Beastcaller and the Sanctifier. But I ended up going with the Beastcaller. And yeah, so leveling up your second character will also add to the Planeswalker level. So once I start leveling up the second class, then the Planeswalker level will go past level 30. The good thing is, so I was playing on hard when I was around like level 28 or so with my first character. And when you do get your second character, even though it'll be a level 1 character, I could still play on hard, which is pretty cool, because you keep all of and yeah, you can see the costs increase for unlocking a third class, which is kind of substantial, but I think you can definitely earn that by the time you've leveled up your second character. So I'm gonna just go to some gameplay now and keep discussing. Okay, so once I unlocked my second class, I was just going around and completing some daily missions with it. And yeah, as you can see, I kept the difficulty on hard. So even though my new class is level 1, you keep basically everything. You have the same spells and decks and equipment, artifacts. So I don't even think my whatever the score is called that I have 400 of, your gear score or something, I don't even think that reduced, even though I'm using a level 1 character. So the only thing I'm really missing is specifically what the Geomancer did. So there was some passives that you unlock throughout leveling up the character. Also the two abilities that character has. So with the Geomancer, you have the jump and the kind of burst thing. On control, it's right bumper, left bumper. You can see the next to the bar down the bottom, those abilities. So the one thing about the Beastcaller that I'm not that happy about is there's no ability that makes you move faster. At least with the Geomancer, you have that jump ability. And I've also seen the blue class, the Mind Mage, also has an ability to make it move faster. But initially it just felt really slow moving around with the Beastcaller. Without an ability to speed you up. But yeah, I'm still using the exact same like game plan of yeah, the same, all the red sorceries and that making dragons and stuff, and I haven't even had a reason to change that, which I think is like kind of a good thing. So now I'm maybe at like level 10 with my beast caller, and that's still the case. I still don't really see any reason to play any different or use different spells. And what else was I going to discuss? Yeah, I've been doing the daily missions and the new event stuff. And maybe I'll just keep this to a short video because I think I'm basically covered everything about unlocking a second class. Yeah, I was wondering what you would be doing when you unlock your second class, because by the time you're at level 30 with your first class, you've done all the missions. You can replay them if you want, but I think it's more likely what you'll want to do is just complete the daily missions, and at the moment there's that event to complete as well each day. The other thing which you want to be doing is the overworld. You can even see the overworld escalation on this. At this point, I wasn't paying a lot of attention to that, but yeah, there was one open right here, but instead I'm fighting a mythic encounter. But yeah, you want to do those for those shadow orbs. As I said in the other video, those are the world bosses, because that's how you get the materials for unlocking the next class, your next class. I'm still undecided what class I'll go with for the third one. Maybe it will just be the white sanctifier class. But anyway, yeah, I was still able to, I think, beat this mythic encounter here, even though I think this character might be level 1 at this point. So yeah, that's it for this video on unlocking your second class. And even at this point, I was still learning how the character worked. I didn't realize the left bumper ability heals you. I thought it just summoned that dog. So yeah, that's it for this video on Magic Legends about the second class and how to unlock them, which is in your realm. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.